being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away, so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake?
I love listening to workout music because it's always motivational music. But for now, we want to talk some TAs, some technical analysis, because you know what it is. You know what it is. You know what it is. So as we can see right here, we can see a very clear head and shoulder pattern on the 1 hour time frame of the BTC. So you know, I mean, it is what it is. I don't know if we are going to retest this IBH, IBL. IBL is initial balance low, and this is the initial balance high, which basically means it's the first candle of the day. The day opens. This is the first candle that opens up at 3 a.m. So the opening and closing of the candlestick in the Hekenashi candlestick tells us you know the kind of gives us the direction of the market, because you can see this was a bullish candlestick which at most cases means that the day is gonna be bullish. It is what it is. But as you can see here, we are forming this head and shoulder pattern, which is a reversal pattern. So hopefully we are going to see a bounce of this IBL and then come all the way down. I don't know. I decided I would always trade after 6 p.m. after the US market is on. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Look at my little signal right here is telling me to buy. After telling me to sell it ASAP. I don't believe you, bro. Hold up. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Hold up. But yeah, let's switch it up to the normal candlesticks and see what's going on. So you can see here we have a lot of buying volume right there. Okay, a lot of buyers volume happening right there, and I can also see a trend line right here. I can also see a trend line right here that's forming here very clearly. Okay, so if you break that, we have also not broken this 50 EMA. If you break that now, you should be bearish, right? But as far as I'm concerned, we have a lot of bullish news. Russia is deciding to make Bitcoin. They wanted to ban crypto, but they're not banning crypto. We have seen the hack, Bitfinex hack of 90,000 bitcoins worth 4.5 billion was recovered today, and they managed to get the suspects after fucking 6 good years, man, since 2016, guys. Now it has been proven that Bitcoin can be traceable. It's so hard to steal this digital currency. I mean, doesn't matter how long it takes, you get caught. So yeah, so we are waiting to see what's gonna pan out. Okay, so I'm waiting to see what happens after 6 p.m. If we're going to continue bullish, definitely I want to see us close above this zone here, which is around 44 300. Let's say just 44 500. If you close above it now, I will know we are now back bullish. But if not, I expect a pullback all the way to the 42 region to 40 region, just to reset, to retest, because we broke out all the way from 33k with a bang, right? All the way from here, guys. We broke that with a bang, came in, broke this long-term, trend line, and yeah, now we are seeing us trying to make a higher high right here. Okay, trying to make a higher high, and once we break that, we are going to go all the way to this 48k region, 50k region, and yeah, that's the hope that we have. We're gonna see that. We hope to see that. But first, I would also want to see a correction, at least to this major zone. This is a very key major zone, the 40k region, 41k. If you can see a retest there, I will be a very happy man, because I'm going to DCA. All right, I'm gonna look for shorts as well going down. But I've decided I'll be a reactive trader. I'll not be FOMO trader, right? Where I just see price going up and now I just FOMO in and want to buy, right? I don't want to be that kind of a trader. You can see we have a lot of volume coming in from the buyers. I want to be a reactive trader, right? A reactive trader is okay. We have confirmed we've closed above 44,500. Good. That means we are bullish. So I'll be looking for longs, right? We don't do that, right? We don't do that. We retest back here. Well and good. We break this trend line and make a short. Absolutely. Very quickly, right? So that's what I'll not be putting trades just because I've seen the market is pumping and yeah, I know that head and shoulder is a reversal pattern, but if these bulls break this and come all the way to this region close here, then bro, we are bullish. Doesn't matter we formed a head and shoulder pattern. Doesn't matter. We have a lot of bullish news. So we have now fundamentals on our side, and now we have some TA on our side, which makes a lot of sense. And at this point is where I love putting alerts, so that when I'm not there, I can also uh, so when we cross up, okay, 44,400, I would love to be notified, because now I know that we are now, bulls are taking over. That's what we want to see, right? And I don't trade Bitcoin, I always trade the counterparts. And we can see Solana is doing an amazing job right here. Bounced off really well off this 100 200 EMA, and now we are seeing it going puffing over. It has already thrusted above this 50 EMA. It's almost closing above it, and then we have also closed above the IBH for today. So seems like we're gonna have a bullish day. As I said, guys, remember what I just said in the beginning. See, the first candle in the morning guides us in 99% of the time, unless we have very negative news, right? Or news just come and fuck up everything. You can see here in this 3 a.m. candle for today, it was bullish as well, right? So which means chances are, even if we see this dump during the day, which happens most of the time, okay, we are definitely gonna see a bullish momentum before the end of the day, because the day started on a bullish momentum. You get me? Yes. So in such a day, I'll be looking for longs, not shorts. And you can see confirmations here. If we close this candlestick above this 50 EMA, that would be a good sign that, you know what, we are back, baby. And you can see we're also breaking this neckline that was there as we formed this head and shoulder as well for the Solana um, token, which is crazy, guys, which is crazy. So if you break this close above this, definitely be looking for longs coming all the way to these zones, right? That's what we want. That's what we want. That's what we want. So guys, let's wait and see. I said we are going to trade after 6 p.m. I want to stick by my rules. I want to stick with my trading plan, and that's the only way we're gonna make it. Otherwise, guys, FOMOing into a trade is the worst thing you can ever do. Adjusting your stop loss, not going, doing as you ought to do with your not following a trading plan is a very big mistake. And you can see we were forming this. This was a triple top, very clear reversal pattern, and now we bounced off also bounced off this 200 EMA, and we're now going back. This is pretty much nice. Let's see Luna, that was Phantom. Okay, the same, we also bounced off this 200 EMA, okay, after forming a head and shoulder right here as well, which is crazy. Now we close above this 50 EMA, we are back bullish. That's what we want to see, right? This is what we want to see, and we're looking for longs. So yeah, it is what it is. I think Ethereum, same scenario. Wow, Ethereum actually never even bounced off this 50 EMA, and it's back to bullish as no man's business. Let's fucking go, guys. Guys, you have a lovely day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment anything you want me to talk about, and yeah, let's learn TA slowly by slowly. That's the goal here, right? And I can see we're also almost getting to my alert right there. Wow. this is some impressive volume, right? This is the volume you don't want to joke with. This is called liquidation candlesticks, because if you had any shorts here, right? Because more probably this is a very strong resistance zone. So any shorts around here have already been liquidated. So now, um, yeah, we're gonna see huge influx in volume right away. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see what's gonna happen. Stick around, guys. Cheers.